Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all having a good day and ready for today's video. So this video I'm going to do today, guys, I'm going to do a recreation of Megan Fox's nails. I don't know where she was going. Just wiping that inhibition there, look. So I have used BP01 and that's Born Pretty's solid black. And I've painted the nails. I literally went for just a single coat because I don't want it too thick. So I'm not going to use chrome. I am going to be using this. I got in my PR, the metal painting gel. And that chrome is an option, but I'm sure that we can achieve it without using the powdered chrome. So I'm just going to get this chrome on the nail. Ooh. So I do have a chrome powder as well from Born Pretty that I do think would look stunning as well. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be using this chrome gel. So I most likely will do 2 coats of that gel just so we have a super opaque nail. Here are how the nails look after 2 coats and no top coat. So, you know, you have such a full coverage and you can see the mirror chrome coming through. OMG, guys, look at the nails so far. So as you can see, it's very repetitive. Now I did the God-fearing side of it and I don't know, so I'm not putting it out there because when I generally do my nails, I always do them facing like this because even when they're on the nails, they're going to be looking like that. Now, if I did it upside down, I'm not really down with the upside down cross. So that's why I've done it like this. So when you look at my nails, you see the cross is faced the right way. And then if I pose like that, it's still the right way. So it's not just the cross. I always place my rhinestones or blings or charms facing this way. So as I said, that's very repetitive. I'm just going to do this one nail with you. I will mute myself and probably speed it up just a little bit. Now I'm using this rhinestone glue from Born Pretty, and I first of all just went in and just done a cross. I'm using a liner brush rather than kind of squeezing it on. So that's all I do. I'm just going to do that cross. And I did count the bling, so it is identical on every nail. So as I said, I'm going to mute myself, speed it up a little bit, and then put these rhinestones down. And they're not real, by the way. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. It's a little quick video. It's not really a tutorial. It's just literally what I did, recreating Megan Fox's nails. I just thought they were just so simple, so cute. And as I said earlier on, I did my crosses like this because I don't want it to be like an anti-cross. So, so when you look at my nails, it's looking like that. Very God fearing. So yeah, that metal painting gel. Now, it definitely has a hollow, but do I prefer it to chrome? I think it's different to chrome, but it goes on so easy, so super to use. And yeah, it's really weird. It's like water, but look at that. That's not water. So yeah, I just used that bling glue. I'll just put on some stones, some really cheap stones that I had from Amazon. And yeah, what do you think, guys? Those nails, and I'm out. Let me know what you think. And please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen, guys. Save yourself some money. Get yourself some metal painting gel from Born Pretty. Super laser metal painting gel. I'm going to go outside and see if I can find any sun. Bye, guys.